Today we're going to be fully backtesting the WD Gann trading strategy that I built last week, which helped Mr. Gann build his 92% win rate trading strategy. But before I go any further, guys, I have a burning question. Have you ever traded divergences, and do you get success with divergences? If so, I'd love to know down in the comments below. And don't forget, I give away a random 100 USDT to one of the comments every Friday. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through trading strategies. Today I'm going to be looking back at the divergence indicator that I built last week on Friday, which was a hidden secret out of the book from WD Gann. Gann was a pioneer in the trading world in the early 1900s and continues to astonish and inspire traders around the world with his 92% win rate. And today I'm going to be looking back at one of his divergence kind of strategies that he spoke about in one of his books, not as well known as his other strategies, and I'm going to be backtesting it on TradingView. Now you can get this indicator completely for free as part of my Christmas giveaways. You'll be able to backtest it yourselves. But if you want access to all of the settings that I find and all of the wonderful settings that our community has found, you'll find links to Patreon down in below. Just a very huge shout out to all of the Patreon subscribers and our community in general. I really do love spending time with you guys. You are absolutely amazing, and I love the strategies that we're building together. Okay, without further ado, let's get over to my screen. Let's have a look at the backtesting results. Let's have a look at this strategy. I'll go through it very quickly, but I did have a full complete overview of the strategy, which you'll be able to find in the links above. Okay, here I am on TradingView, as you can see, on a blank page. I'm just going to draw very quickly what the actual indicator does. I'll show you the indicator that I made last week, which is actually this one here, which I made on Friday for everybody. I added the divergences in for everybody on Saturday, so you can see them. So I'll just explain how it works very quickly. Like I said, I did a full video about it earlier. So let's say that you have two crypto or a pool of crypto or any other class of assets, and they are kind of correlated. So what that means is that you have when one is moving down in general, the other one is moving down in the same way. Very much like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whilst Bitcoin is going down in generally speaking, Ethereum will be going down as well. It'll be dumping at the same time. So let's have a look. So what I've done with this indicator is it detects price movement, and then it uses an algorithm to normalize that price action. This is the crypto pool. So inside it we have Ethereum, we have Sol, we have ADA, we have we have the top 10 cryptocurrencies out there. Now this obviously will work with Forex and plenty of others as well, but I'm just explaining it in crypto terms because it's easy. As we know, generally speaking, Bitcoin is the mother of all coins, and the other coins generally follow along. So we have our pool here of top 10, and here on the other side we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making lower lows and lower highs, then gets to the same point here where we're at the same point as this one here. I'm going to make this one orange so that we can see, maybe make it a little bit thicker so we can see it. There you go. Wonderful. Okay, perfect. Now, Bitcoin decides to, at this point here, to make a reversal and start to make a higher high and a higher low. So we're actually making a reversal at this point. Here, over here on other coins, we're continuing to make lower lows, and this is where we could potentially see that there is a divergence, and maybe Bitcoin is reversing and going to make higher highs, and it will pull all the other coins along with it. It seems that this indicator is very good at detecting divergences and reversals. I have actually been trading this and testing it on several coin pairs manually the past couple of weeks to see if I could find out what kind of trading strategy we could build, and it's been going quite well, which is absolutely brilliant, especially for my wallet. But I have actually only backtested it using discounting code on one set of coin pairs, which, as I said, I'm going to be giving it away for free at the end of this video. Guys, before I go any further, just a quick reminder that I managed to negotiate 20% off of trading fees with Bybit by using the link down below in the description. Don't forget that the trading fees are a huge edge when you have lower trading fees. It helps to make trading strategies a lot more profitable. Even though the trading fees look extremely small, 20% off of them really does make a huge impact onto your trading. Bybit have also offered us a load of huge deposit rewards, so you will get them as well. You'll find all the links to Bybit down in the description below. Okay, back to the video. So let's have a look at that backtesting. So I'm going to move all this away. And we can see, as you can see here, I have actually coded this. You can see this is all automatically added onto TradingView. You can connect this to bots. I will go through all of that before the end of this video. Let's try and put the indicator back on. Okay, like I said, the indicator, as you can see here, seems pretty good. It seems very good at detecting divergences as we move up in the market. I do believe that we need to look more into the extended version of it. So maybe divergences that are created in the highs above the 100 line here. I've set it to 120 as the max, but as you can see, these divergences seem to be much better. I have actually only added the indicator to this back test, so you could actually add things like trend detection using an EMA, a 200 EMA for example, and anything like that inside the DaviddTech boilerplate. So like I said, this DaviddTech boilerplate is being distributed for free at the end of this video. You can download it and add it to your TradingView very easily by clicking and entering your TradingView name, username, and I'll add it to your charts for you. Okay, so let's have a look at the back testing results. Let's pull them up here on the screen. And then I'll go through how I think you can improve it and make it even better. Okay, here we have our backtesting results. Let's start with the equity curve. As you can see, the equity curve looks pretty good as far as I'm concerned. It is being traded with leverage, BTC USDT on Bybit as usual. So things like the max drawdown are actually inflated because of leverage. If you're spot trading, it will be much less drawdown than that. But obviously your net profit would suffer as well. We have a percent profitable, which is your win rate of 58%, which is more than acceptable because it is 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. We have a profit factor of 1.91. We have a total net profit of 222%, which is amazing. Our max drawdown is 17%, which is more than acceptable for a leverage trading strategy. Like I said, if you take away the leverage, obviously the net profit is going to suffer, but also you would be able to get that maximum drawdown right the way down. Okay, as you can see, this trading strategy seems to be much better at the current markets at shorting than it is longing. We have much more profit from the shorts than the longs, and if we continue going down, we can see that the buy to hold is minus 22%, so that means we absolutely smashed that. The buy to hold, actually, what this actually means is it's this blue line here. If you would have purchased Bitcoin at this very point here, at the same point as you started the trading strategy, you would be actually down 22% on your initial investment. As with this trading strategy, you would actually be up 222%, which is absolutely awesome. Let's have a look at the monthly tables here. As you can see, most of the months are in green. It seems like the losing months are quite small in percentage wise as well, which is great. As I said earlier, we are at 58.1 win rate. We have maximum wins in a row was 4, maximum losses in a row were 4. We have total wins of 43, total losses of 31. Total trades in total were 74. Now that is not enough to go away and trade this live as far as I'm concerned. We are on the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, this isn't the best trading strategy in the DaviddTech world, but it's just something that I hope will help people to get involved in the elite backtesters, and also help get involved in finding better settings for us all working together as a community. The first trade was on the 7th of the 10th, 2021. So yeah, seems like not a bad trading strategy. If I go over to the settings, which you'll be able to do as well, you'll be able to see that you have access to the take profit and stop loss. To change that, currently it is set at the ATR and the and the risk to reward. We have some amazing features in here, like being able to add your own confluence and add the confluence that's already added in here. You can add a moving average to detect trend direction, which generally is a good idea. When it's a reversal trading strategy, it's always a bit harder, which this one is, but could be a good idea, especially on a lower time frame where you might be able to get a lot more trades. You can see here is the main settings of the trading strategy. We can also go down and you can find things like you can add an RSI, you can add the Hurst, the ADX, which I actually added myself here, which is the ADX algorithm that I coded in here with the EMAs. You can add that also to your chart for free. I'll put that in the link description as well if you want to see where it is. We have the flat market. You can also choose your days and when you want to trade, what times of the days, and you can also connect this directly to bots with Trigger.trade, which is a service that I put together with my brother William. Trigger.trade allows you to connect any trading strategy over to multiple exchanges, notably Bybit, which is one of my favorite exchanges. It's just been so solid as an exchange in the past. Unfortunately, there's plenty of countries that you can't get hold of it, so we have actually integrated other exchanges where you can actually connect directly from TradingView. I think there's about 5 or 6 exchanges now on that website where you can now connect. So yeah, so you can actually make this a lot better. You can change the algorithm by just changing things around here. Like I said, you can add this to your TradingView down in the description below. If you find some amazing settings and you want to be part of the DaviddTech community and don't have the equity to pay the $17 to be part of it, like I said, you can always get in for free by sharing your settings with us and the community. My ultimate objective is to help retail traders become profitable, and I truly believe as a community together we will find the best settings together, which will help more and more people to become profitable as traders. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Like I said, links are all down in the descriptions below. Just a side note, very quickly, guys, when you add this, it will not have these settings that I've set up here as the default settings. I'll share a second link so you can add the default settings as well. That will be sent to you by email once you've added this to your TradingView chart. And a second side note is this will not work on default settings on all pairs. Don't expect these settings to work on Ethereum, Sol, or any other pair, even the USD, Euro, or anything like that. That's where all of the hard work of our community comes in, to find best settings for all of those pairs and share them with each other, and it really is a lot of work. Fortunately, as a community, we've also created this plugin for Chrome, which allows us to use kind of bots to optimize and try and find those trading strategy settings in the background so you don't have to do it. I'm truly proud of our community and what we've accomplished in 2 years. It's been absolutely amazing with everybody. Thank you very much for all the support. I love working with you guys. I look forward to meeting a load of new people, and hopefully we'll all become profitable together. And without further ado, guys, keep safe, keep coding, trade like a boss, and I will see you on Friday. Take care. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.